right, special thanks to iAnder for sending us their mobile phone glass screen protector. This is the case that it arrives in. Very nice case. Even has an installation video if you need that. Zero bubbles, light transmission rate up to 99%. Let's open this up and have a look at it. Oh, look at that. So you get a set of installation tools. Very nice. They're all sealed and everything. Oh, and look at that. You get the camera modules. So glass screen protector for your camera modules goes right over top. Very nice. You get 2 of those, which means you probably get 2 screen protectors. So yeah. Well, I actually have 3 here. I have 3 screen protectors. Very nice. You do have this little plastic piece here to help with the installation, but very nice screen protectors. You can see how much they bend. Very good quality. I think that they would truly protect your iPhone 14 Pro Max from any big cracks, any breaks, and you can see they fit right over on top. I mean, just lines up flawlessly with the whole screen. So again, special thanks to this company for sending us their glass screen protectors. That'll do it for this unboxing. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.